Sige, kabidyo yan. Kabidyo.
Sasot ba namin talaga to, SB?
Si ano ba yan? SP. Si Japet.
Tama na.
Ready na, naka-video.
Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degrees Doctor in Education Management, Master in Business Education, Master in Library and Information Science, Master in Physical Education and Sports, Master of Arts in English Language Teaching, Master of Science in Mathematics Education, and Master of Arts in Education, major in teaching in the challenge areas.
The following degrees: Bachelor of Business Technology and Livelihood Education, Bachelor of Public Administration, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering.
One of these few is our guest of honor. His journey to technopreneurship began on his third year at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines Institute of Technology, where he finished his diploma in computer engineering technology. At the age of 19, he launched the PUP Mobile Portal, the first mobile application in the country designed to provide students with seamless access to their academic records and enrollment forms. This groundbreaking initiative highlighted his impressive ICT potential, his deep commitment to enhancing the student experience, and his vision for PUP to become a digital institution.
To present to you the candidates for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from the College of Tourism, Hospitality and Transportation Management, academic year 2024-2025. The graduation of these candidates was approved by the University Academic Council and confirmed by the Board of Regents.
Science and Public Administration, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degrees Bachelor of Arts in Political Science and Bachelor of Arts in International Studies from the College of Political Science and Public Administration for the academic year 2024-2025. The graduation of these candidates was approved by the University Academic Council and confirmed by the Board of Regents.
Candidates from the College of Science, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for the degrees Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics,
Master in Business Administration, Major in Marketing Management, Vicera Mark Justine de la Peña. Master in Business Administration, Major in Human Resource Management, Vargas Lawrence Patrick Gonzalez.
graduates from the College of Education, Graduate Studies, Master in Business Education, Abantas Maranisa Mabani.
Electronics Engineering, Aranda Jonalyn May Escabilian. Bongao Juan Luis Clave.
Graduate of
Pablo J.R. Naure. Salvador Remar Abelia. Tagayun Aris Morales.
Graduates of Master in Education Management of the University System, Candaliada Carl Ivan Tayos. Cervantes Carmela Gloria. Del Rosario Liza Manubay.
Anak ko yan.
Luis Joshua Familia. Cruz Trishane Rodriguez. Gador Georgine Ann Picasso. De Leon Pamela Rose Agaw. Flor Denise Angela Manzanillo. Gozon Jr. Ruel Di Maculangan.
Kabot ko lang.
Lagman Dale Christian Velasquez.
Sabay.
Munoz Rochelle Zaragoza. Padilla Alina Nicole. Pahariliaga John Ralph Tolentino. Reyes Ira Faye Cruz. Reyes BJ Mercado.
Pablo J.R. Naure. Salvador Remar Abelia.
Graduates of Master in Education Knowledge
sir.